Event number 5, Event 2, Lane 1, Sean Nathaniel Austin of St. Stephen High School. Lane 2, Cecil B. of St. Sports Swim Club. Lane 3, Alejandra William Gray of St. Mary's Angel College. Lane 4, Papuro Gabriel Jeltro. Lane 5, Chua Chase Gabriel of Life Academy Swimming Team. Lane 6, Chua Duke Lancelot of Philippine Cultural College. Lane 7, Estuvo Lester of Sabre School Swimming Club. Lane 8, Lonto John Adrian of St. Stephen High School. Lane 9, Lim Francesco Roberto of St. Stephen High School. And Lane 10, G. Charles Harry of St. Jude Catholic School. Once again, we would like to thank our sponsor, Speedo, Flexible Packaging Product Corporation, Oishi, Dowell, Philplex Wires and Cables, Armark Tape Corporation, Astoria Boracay, Davis P, Makita, Mets, Peony Merchandising, TBI, Shell Canvan, Zesto, and Tokoyo Japan Parts Center. Thank you for making this event happen.
Go, Dong! Go! Kaya, kaya!
We would like to inform you that there was a disqualification in event number 5, hit number 1, lane 8.
Habol! Habol!